Yo, I just got this duffel bag from Cycle Gear.
Cheap bastard!
Let's check it out. It's supposed to be able to fit all my gear, and we're gonna find out. So according to this ticket that they left on here, this is supposed to retail for $80. I guess I got it on sale for $50, but $50 for a duffel bag, that sounds like a pretty good deal to me. And it's Cycle Gear's in-store brand, Built. That built kind of cheap, and you know your boy likes to spend some good money.
Now you know I'm lying. I be balling on a budget, baby. Look at that haircut I did myself. Pay a barber? For what? Peep my ghetto ass home gym. Gym membership fees can kiss the backside of my ass. Frugality at its finest, my boy.
I like to be frugal. You know what I'm talking about? Sometimes being cheap costs you more money in the long run. But anyways, yeah, check this thing out. It looks pretty decent sized. Oh, got that cheap new gear smell. Comes with this little flooring in here. Put on the bottom of the bag. Make everything sturdy. That's what I'm guessing it's for. Comes with an extra strap. I think everything might fit. Helmet. Boots. Back protector. Full size race suit. And we'll see if it's really good. If we can throw this airbag vest in it. I like to take my airbag vest and my back protector because if I get a deployment out of this, I'll be able to use the back protector and I'll still be good. And also, I ain't gonna lie, this thing is hot as hell. So you know what I'm talking about? I like to just use the back protector and get a little more breathability. So I'm gonna start with trying to get the suit in first. Simple fold, this thing smooshed up in there like that. Not too bad. Set the helmet right next to it. Suit stuffed on one side, helmet on the other. Back protector going long ways. Airbag vest on top of it all. This way. Negative space in there. You want your hanger so you can hang your suit up during lunch. Both can fit, ain't that right? Let's see. Yeah. There's a whole nother compartment over there in case you got some extra tall boots, I guess. You need more than one compartment. Man, look at that. That ain't bad for $50. Yeah. Boy, I done shit my head in a motherfucker. You know what I'm talking about? Hey, Ezel, what's going on, Ezel? Hey, how you doing? Monica, what's up with you? Leo, my boy, that's you? Hey, what it is, Sahib? Yeah, I see you, boy. Yeah, man, so if your local Cycle Gear still got this in store, I recommend getting. They also have another one that's cheaper. I believe the brand is Trackside. I think that's only $25. I did like the styling on this one a little bit better, even though it don't really matter. Now this bag is great for somebody who doesn't have a trailer set up and they can't leave most of the stuff in their trailer. You know what I'm talking about? If you like me and you gotta pack things up every time you go out, this is good for you. Now I will tell you this, some of y'all are nasty. I don't know why I need to tell some of y'all this, but I'm gonna tell you anyways. After your track day and you load this thing back up, take your shit out. And I know I need to say this because some of y'all be funky as hell. Funky as hell. The smell be diabolical. Some of y'all got booty sweat in these things from 8 years ago. Alright, that's no bueno. When you get home, take your stuff out and let it dry out. Then wash the inside of your suit. Or when you get home, start washing the stuff immediately. Some of y'all need to burn your shit. I ain't even gonna hold you. Alright, y'all stay blessed. Don't be too stressed. Master Yoshi out. Peace.